Hello everybody, I'm back with another video and I'm with my sister this time. Her name is Jessica. Introduce yourself.
Hello everybody, I'm Jessica and today we're going to be doing a video where I do her makeup.
Got my ice bags on my thighs today because volleyball was tough. Alright, let's get into it.
So
people.
Today we're going to be doing a pink look that I call Barbie's World.
She had to name it.
Let's get into it.
Oh my god, you're so...
She's already primed her face.
I have already primed my face.
So,
And I used Porefessional. And I used the tiny one because I didn't want to pay for the big one.
alright everybody, so let's jump right into it.
Let's go.
So we're going to start off with the Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline New York in the shade 110 Porcelain.
Because a girl's pale. We all know that.
And so, put this on her face
She's going straight in.
for that aesthetic. And so we're going to start with this beauty blender. It's pink and it's pretty plump. So,
I dampened it, guys.
it's wet or it's damp. Not
Damn.
so
Go
wet.
before it falls off my
Let's
face.
go. So we're going to dab it and go on to the neck.
You can go on to the neck after.
Alright, we're going to the neck after. And so,
We're totally gonna rock this look. Close your eyes. Thanks for the warning.
Alright, well, we're going to go in with the concealer that I haven't used before. My sister just found it today. Pretty cool.
today we're using the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer. And that's what it looks like. Good. Looks really good.
You're going to have to really blend this. There you go.
We're going to be using the same beauty blender we used for the foundation. Whoops.
You don't have to go so fast. It's more like just be productive. Holy shit, this thing is... She's thick! She's thick.
Oh, I can just... Do you hear it coming off my skin? Holy...
That was fine.
Santa Claus
Well,
is coming to
I think that the
town.
concealer is definitely
Santa Claus is
a
coming to
glossy,
town.
thick
Santa
concealer.
Claus is
And I
coming.
certainly like my Maybelline Fit Me one better. Now that we've managed to make me look even more like a snowman, let's get into the other
You look
stuff.
more like that guy from Star Trek.
I'm just pale, guys.
No,
I'm like,
he's not. Yeah, he's kind of pale. It's called Cheeky Stowaways by Benefit, and it's a travel set. And it's it looks like this, minus the brushes. Alright, so we're gonna go with this pink one. And yeah, that's what it looks like. So we're gonna.
let's explain how you got your name. We
Hockey
call her
Dogs.
Hockey Dogs.
No,
like most
listen,
of my friends
so
know her.
Hockey Dogs is my nickname to her friends, not to my friends, to her friends, and it's because I made an Instagram and called it Hockey Dogs, and it's
Because
stuck.
she loves hockey and she loves dogs. My friends noticed it and they were like,
Hockey Dogs.
Hockey Dogs! Yeah,
So
so
it's stuck, and there you go.
if y'all hear me say Hockey Dogs, we'll talk about her.
All right, so
I'm using some brown lip. Because we're done with blush. We're using this one. Hoola, but it's not my favorite. She and I just use it all the time. Same brush. So we're going to get it in the cheekbone.
You're doing better than I thought, sissy.
so yeah.
Other than that crazy amount of concealer, it's not that bad.
Crazy.
Yeah. What would you do after this?
So after this, we're gonna put some
Because I'm greasy.
powder on. Some
Yeah.
setting powder. And this
Good
is
job.
sorry, I have to show you guys.
I've
what
taught
it
her
is.
right. I've taught her right.
So, this is the Maybelline New York Fit Me in shade 5, which is fair.
The Morphe M438. I can't focus it for you, but it's like a It's good for doing the setting powder under your eyes and on your face. Quite a bit under the eyes, because there's a lot of concealer. Yeah, that's good. My face is set.
Next up, we're moving on to the eyes. The most interesting part, I think.
I'm scared.
So,
This is it, guys. Will her look fail or succeed?
so it goes from dark to light, right?
You want to like go dark.
Don't creases, don't curl it too hard, I reckon. Stick here, fan it out a little bit, bring it in to lighter color.
And it is an eyeshadow palette.
It's Dare to Create.
Yeah, and it's be your own muse, you dare be. Okay. That's really nice.
Just don't go too high above the crease. I'll look like a raccoon.
So the light color
I'm
will be
scared.
on the inside of your eyeball. Show me. We're gonna start in this.
Yeah, there you
I'm a professional MUA.
go. Whoa, don't go that far.
I am. Okay. Next. The pink glitter from the Fenty palette, and it's titled Meteor Crush.
This part, don't have to use the pink yet. Once you put that seashell on those gold from Morphe, it'll look better. Okay. Alright, nice. We're done with that. So far, so good.
Yeah, sissy.
Ew. Sorry.
Gross.
Sorry. No, can I actually do a video on that? Like, my career path and what I already am. What? Touch people on vocational school. It's a video idea. Keep going one more. See how you rise and above?
I'm proud right now. Here I am all along thinking that like you wanted nothing to do with makeup.
I really don't. So we're going to be using these two shades, and we're mixing them. We're going to start with the salt base.
Don't touch the
In the
inside.
crease.
Yep. Yes, she's blending. I taught you so well. Don't lick me. Look it. If my 13-year-old sister can blend, you can blend too. I feel like a beautiful flower. Yes, sissy.
Hey.
This is like, I feel like a flower. Like a beautiful rose.
There's
Just a white.
The white.
You
and
kind of got to use a lot of it to get it to work, so. Pretty, Jessie. That's really pretty. I'm a proud sissy right
Alright,
now.
next one.
Okay.
Next up is eyeliner. Say for eyeliner, we'll be using the Voluminous Superstar Liquid Eyeliner by L'Oreal Paris.
L'Oreal Paris.
There it is. And now we use it.
Don't start with the line.
Okay, fine.
Start with following my line.
Look at me.
Not bad. Not bad for your first wing.
Stop blinking or I'll actually mess this up. We're just done with
This
that.
is my sister's first time doing wings.
Or makeup.
Okay,
at all.
this or makeup at all. That's true.
Alright, next we're gonna go in with the cover.
Mascara.
Did we already done like?
Gotta give myself options.
Well, you can't really close there. Oh!
It's okay.
You good, you good, you good. It's just a little dot. Wait for it to dry. Trick, if you get mascara under your eye, wait for it to dry and then wipe it. It's better.
Alright, and now we're done with the eyeballs. We're gonna go in with some highlighter. This is the PS Mink Pink highlighter from Primark.
Yes, girl.
Alright. We're gonna go in with the very last part of this look, and that's the lips.
B dot C
This
dot.
is the B.C. Beauty Concepts. It's pretty small. It came from like a multi-pack thing.
I'm pretty sure my mom got it at TJ Maxx too.
It was, yeah.
What song is that?
It's from an edit I watched. Okay. Now we're gonna no, this is the last part. This is the eyebrows. And, sorry, you can see that. The darker one.
It's a pomade and a powder. It's like medium.
The focus on your face.
Tell me when.
Now.
This is the look.
Boom.
Boom.
So,
All done,
this is the final look.
I'm proud of
And
you.
it's, okay, don't get your makeup on my face, because I don't
know.
feel like washing it off. So everyone, this is the final look. It is totally Barbie-ish, I think.
For your first time, it is good. No, I would not wear it outside the house. But I would definitely wear it on Halloween. Time.
So, that was the video, everyone. And we hope you enjoyed.
You'll see more of Hockey Dogs, don't worry.
This is going to be a lot of editing.
Yeah, it's a whole hour video. So thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
And bye.
Goodbye.
Peace.